Are you tired of your portraits looking flat and unprofessional? Stop shooting in harsh light and start using the golden hour. Let's fix your photography right now. When it comes to portraits, the 85mm is king. It offers the most flattering perspective, eliminating facial distortion while making your subject stand out. Welcome to our lens comparison. Let's analyze. At f1.4, we get beautiful creamy bokeh. The subject is sharp. Now look at f8. The background becomes very busy and detailed. Notice how harsh direct sunlight can be on your subject. But by using soft window light at a 45 degree, you get a much more flattering and cinematic result. Dynamic range and textures are beautifully preserved. Engaging IAF. Locked on target. Razor sharp at f1.4.
Here are 3 flattering portrait poses. First, push your chin slightly forward. Second, turn your shoulders to 45 degrees. Third, add a soft, natural smile. Perfect every time.
Centering your subject often creates a static, unbalanced image. Applying the rule of thirds instantly elevates your composition. Let's take this raw portrait and give it a premium look. We balance the contrast and control the highlights. Notice how the skin tones become clean and cinematic. And here is our final edited image.